Hello everyone, we've got a late afternoon tour. As you can see, the sun's setting on me a little bit. Find ourselves in fabulous Section 10 in Las Vegas again. And without further ado, Jake Burkett with Real Broker. Thank you so much for joining us. We really do appreciate it. Love it if you comment, tell us what you like, what you don't like. We welcome it all. If you want to get in touch with me, my personal cell is 702-493-1934. You can also email me, jake@jbrelv.com. Or if you want to start your own home search, get a free home evaluation, visit our website, jakeburkettrealestatelv.com, and you'll be on your way. All right, so this house, single story, gorgeous, renovated from the front wall to the back wall, from the floor to the ceiling, and everywhere in between. So we're gonna go inside, 4,372 square feet, half an acre, 4 beds, 5 bath, with an additional 121 feet of kind of living space. So you're gonna see what I mean. So we're going to check out this whole front yard real quick. Inside, bedrooms, then backyard. So you can see we got some turf here. There's a mixture of stone and plaster on the front of the house. Everything's been paint matched. You got all new turf, all new mulching out here. We do have RV parking on the side of the house, so you can see this gate right here. That is also your entrance into your oversized 3-car garage. So you could pull your cars in there. You could have another vehicle parked on the side, trailer, boat, whatever it may be. Pretty cool. No HOA community. This is all public utilities. All right, let's go head on inside. Of course, I'm gonna come up this walkway because it's cool. Like this flagstone, looks good. Cool little entryway there. Neat little privacy doors as you come in here. Heavy duty too, which is good. All right, so as we come on in, to my left and to my right, there's 2 coat closets, and this is the main living room. Before we go check that out, because it's sweet and huge, if you work from home, you got this awesome home office. I do like the color. You got shutters everywhere. Got lights put in the ceiling. You got your little library wall over there. So, and it's on French door, so pretty neat. Straight across from it, but out of view from the front doors, would be your formal dining area. You're gonna see everything in this house is opened up. So, home was built, when was it built, Jake? 1997. So, there might have been some more walls in here at the time it was built. So, well, you can see there's a vaulted ceiling. You got this big old beam running across there. I love that color, breaks it up. You can see all the lights that have been put in the ceiling. You got this built-in fireplace where the TV goes. It's textured, so it kind of looks like it's, concrete, but it's not. Nice big open area. Just really cool home. Over here, we've got the laundry room that leads into the garage. Got a wet sink, some cabinets. It's got a little storage closet to my right. And a slightly oversized 3-car garage. Pretty nice. Lots of windows, lots of lights in there. All right, so you can see into the backyard from here, but wait till we get out there. The backyard's sick. You got these 2 separate sliders. They open from the inside out, left and right. And so on those nice days, 8-9 months of the year here in Las Vegas, you have some great weather coming in. Cool looking kitchen. Hang on, we're gonna get there. We do have a nice little walk-in pantry. The door does shut, slides over. And then here we go. Let's take a peek at this kitchen. We got double ovens. Got new KitchenAid appliances. Got a big old 6-burner cooktop. Got some cool lights on the wall there. I like the tiles, a backsplash all the way up, all the way across. Big center island, lots of storage. That's our microwave right there. That's what that is, dishwasher. Here's your big center island. Nice big old sink. Built-in fridge, goes very well. Hey, and also let me know what you think of these homes. I always want feedback. And if there's something I do that you don't like, let me know too. I can handle criticism. So, got a cool little gas fireplace right there. And then you would have a little extra dining area, breakfast nook, what do you want to call it? A door to the backyard. So that's your kitchen. Kind of want to take one more look at it from this side. It's a great house. It's beautiful. Beautiful inside. All right, let's, here we go. Grabbing this great room again. It's huge, just all open. So very open. This is an awesome place. And then let's go ahead and take a peek at these bedrooms. Look at these baseboards actually, if we're going too high. Like a lot of times you see like 5 and 6 inch baseboards. Like these are like 8 inch high baseboards. These are really big, kind of make a statement. Do have a little step down there, but I do appreciate there's a light. We don't ever want to, oops. Oh, quit went and gone wonky. So it kind of helps out. All right. So here's the washroom. So you got friends and family over. I like it. Little floater there. I like it when they have the floating cabinets, like school quartz lights, you know, mirrors. Little accent wall paint going on there. All the bedrooms, I should add, are all like their own guest suites. En suites, excuse me. They've all had new lights put in them. They all got shutters. They all have their own closets. Hello. And this one, here's the bathroom, so not to take away from it. It's all tiled out. Big walk-in shower. And then it has a walk-in closet. Cool. Let's take a look at the other ones. Primary's pretty big, pretty nice. So all these, this is cool. So this is a really big secondary bedroom. Take a look. I mean, this could be like a craft room, a bedroom, a second master, or excuse me, primary. We don't use the word master anymore. Got these cool little storage things over here. All along there. Lots of lights coming in. Here is the bathroom. I love it when you got these like gold look, you know, finishes and whatnot, the mirror. Nice looking shower tub combo, complementing tile on the floor. And we got one more right here. Same scenario, same setup. No walk-in closet, but here's the bathroom over here. And they're all a little different. So if you notice, all the bathrooms look a little bit different. It's that same tile from the kitchen. A little different countertops, different flooring, different lights. So that's kind of cool. Breaks it up, makes it look a bit different. And then through these two French doors, we got the primary bedroom, which is huge. It's got vaulted ceiling in it. Awesome beam, really cool light hanging down there. It's a nice big room, lots of natural light. It's a really cool room. I'd have no problem sleeping in this one. Lights, lights, lights. Gas fireplace, a couple extra lights. And here is the bathroom. So check out this flooring everywhere. Like I said, it's different all over. Got 2 different countertops. So this has got the same. That's the bathroom. That door's a little pocket slider. It's nice, gives you some privacy. Here's the other side. You got vanity. Got a nice big walk-in shower. Really good looking freestanding soaking tub. And then you have this walk-in closet, which is nice and big. So it's not too much to see, but it's plenty big. So really cool looking primary bathroom. All right, let's go check out the backyard. We're gonna exit from the primary quarters. So full covered patio length of the house. Got that same great flagstone. Over here, we're gonna hit up, this is like that little extra space over here, that 117 square feet. Got the pool equipment right here. So this is just like a bathhouse, right? So partying in the summer, whatever, you know, you got a shower, and you got a sink, and you got a little back cabinet area. Different color tiling in here. Check out this drain. How cool is that? Just a little sliver. So anyways, and then you got the same, you can tell this looks like it's almost concrete, the way the finish is on that. Nice big vaulted ceiling in here, big light. So pretty cool if you're out here hanging out in the summertime, or you know, whenever that is. Let us continue, shall we? So you got a nice big pool, got a waterfall feature there, got a hot tub feature right there. Got a really cool built-in barbecue over here, the sink, a little fridge, grill, of course, some nice countertops. You got this cool sitting area over here, right? Pretty neat, pretty neat. Some more grass. And then up here, you got like your own little private, like sit and chill area. A little gas fire pit there in the center. So I could hang out here. I hope you could too. Well, that does it for this house. So thank you all so much for joining us. Please give me a call, send me a text, 702-493-1934. You can always email me, jake@jbrelv.com. Visit our website. Take care of yourself if you like, jakeburkettrealestatelv.com. Please subscribe, comment, let us know what you like, don't like. Hope you all have a fantastic day, and we'll see you on the next tour.